Hey everyone, we have a unique smartphone review for you today that will genuinely surprise you. In 2024, a tough smartphone might cost as little as $99. You did really hear correctly. Numerous characteristics are available with the Cubot KingKong ES, such as a robust construction, a contemporary display, the newest communication technologies, and a potent battery. Let's test how our low-cost hero can wow you and what it has to offer. See today's video for all of this and more. The Cubot KingKong ES is distinguished by its sturdy, hardy appearance. The body is made of a variety of components to provide strength and resistance to outside influences. This phone is dustproof, waterproof, and certified IP68 and IP69K. It can withstand immersion in water up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes, making it the perfect choice for workers in demanding situations and adventurers. One useful feature in hectic situations is the programmable special button on the KingKong ES, which provides instant access to features like the flashlight and camera. Because all of the connectors on the gadget are sealed with protective plugs, it can withstand harsh environments. But since there isn't a headphone port, you'll need wireless headphones to listen to music. It weighs 268 grams, which is more than most smartphones, but given the durable shell, it's not too much for what you receive. For a low-cost gadget, the 6.56-inch IPS LCD display with 720 by 1612 resolution is a little on the mediocre side, but it's more than sufficient for activities like browsing, reading, and watching videos. The image is reasonably detailed at 269 ppi, though not as detailed as higher-end devices. The 90Hz refresh rate, which is uncommon at this price range, is the product's most notable feature. Smooth and snappy gameplay is experienced on the display whether you're gaming or navigating through apps. Not only is the 20:9 aspect ratio excellent for one-handed operation, but it also maintains its brightness effectively in direct sunlight. This smartphone, which is powered by the Tiger T606 CPU, finds a balance between battery life and performance. Smooth multitasking is ensured by the 8-core processor and 6 GB of RAM. The 128 GB of internal storage offers enough room for images, videos, and programs. Also, if necessary, you can use a microSD card to expand it even further. The device, which runs Android 14, has a sleek and contemporary interface, but isn't meant for demanding apps or intense gaming. It works well for everyday tasks including online browsing, social media browsing, and entertainment. The lack of NFC and a fingerprint scanner is one drawback. For a low-cost gadget, the 48 megapixels primary camera and 2 megapixels macro lens provide respectable image quality. The portrait mode performs well, providing a clean blurring of the background, while the night mode helps bring out the details even in dimly lit areas. Selfies taken with the 8 megapixels front camera are generally rather good, especially in well-lit environments. However, images taken at night may appear grainy. While video recording performs well throughout the day, it is not as well in low light. The Cubot KingKong ES's 5100 mAh battery, which can easily power the gadget for up to 2 days under normal usage, is one of its most outstanding characteristics. The USB Type-C port guarantees compatibility with contemporary chargers, even though it does not support fast charging. The battery's lengthy lifespan more than makes up for the possible lengthier wait time for a full charge. The Cubot KingKong ES, which retails for about $99, is a great illustration that a robust smartphone doesn't have to be expensive. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a dependable yet affordable gadget because of its robust battery, snappy display, sturdy build, and Android 14. Even if there are certain limitations, such the lack of NFC and a headphone port, you still get a lot of value for the money. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.